In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a shared library in SharePoint. Now, to give you a bit of background, a shared library is essentially a document library within a SharePoint site that you or others have access to. If you're using OneDrive for Business, these shared libraries might show up as libraries you can access. So, how do you go about deleting one? Let's explore this step-by-step process together. To begin, you'll need to have the right permissions, either as a site owner or with SharePoint admin rights. Assuming you have those, the first thing you'll want to do is open the shared library, either via OneDrive or directly in SharePoint. If you're navigating from OneDrive for Business, you'll head over to the Shared Libraries section. Here, you'll see a list of libraries you have permission to access. Find the library you wish to delete, and then click on Go to Site located in the upper right section. This action directs you to the SharePoint site where the library exists. Now, if your intention is to remove the entire site housing the library, you can proceed with the next steps carefully. Within the SharePoint site, you should locate the Settings icon, which looks like a little gear. Click on it, and you'll see an option for Site Information. Go ahead and select that. As you scroll down the Site Information panel, you'll eventually come across an option labeled Delete Site. Clicking this will prompt you to confirm the deletion, and it's crucial at this point to understand that confirming will remove everything in that site. This includes not just the shared library you're targeting, but all the lists, pages, and other content within that site. However, if deleting the entire site isn't your goal, and you'd prefer just to stop seeing the library or remove your access, there's an alternate path. If you're not the owner of the site, you can request the site or SharePoint admin to remove your permissions from that specific library. Once your access is revoked, the library should typically stop appearing in your list of shared libraries on OneDrive. Additionally, logging out and then back into your OneDrive account can refresh the libraries displayed, reflecting any changes made to your access permissions. And there you have it. You now know how to delete a shared library or adjust your access permissions, preventing it from cluttering your view. Whether you're refining your workspace or cleaning up unnecessary files, these steps will help you manage your shared libraries efficiently. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide was clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out.